Whenever you open Siri Camera on iOS 27, do you see a Siri Unavailable, I'm having trouble, or something went wrong message? Don't worry, here are the quickest fixes that usually get Siri Camera working again. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Siri Camera needs internet access to identify objects and provide results. If needed, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or cellular network. If you're still seeing the error, try taking a clearer photo. A blurry image can prevent Siri Camera from recognizing what you're trying to search for. Next, close Siri Camera completely and open it again. Then retake the photo and see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you're still getting the error, open Settings, tap Siri, and make sure Siri is enabled. If it's already turned on, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If the issue continues, open Settings, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then select Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, apps, or personal data. After the reset is complete, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and enable Siri again. Once that's done, open Siri Camera and try searching with a photo. In most cases, the Siri Unavailable, I'm having trouble, or something went wrong message should now be gone. That's it. Your Siri Camera should now be working normally on iOS 27.